Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Azure Latch extension is installed and that you have contributor or owner rights. Once you've targeted the resource, note its resource ID and the latch state. Next, open the Azure CLI or portal and authenticate. Use the same account with the necessary scope. Now query the latch status to avoid surprises. Make sure to record current state and any active locks so you can safely perform the slide cancel operation without affecting running services. Once done verifying state, run as latch show to confirm lock type and the identity that set the latch, because you must be sure you have authority to cancel. Then execute as latch slide cancel with the resource ID and a clear reason. After submission, capture the operation ID and poll as latch operations show until status is succeeded. If you prefer portal, navigate to the resource's latch pane and choose slide cancel, provide justification, and submit while monitoring the operation progress. You finalize by validating the resource functions as expected and revoking any temporary access granted for the operation. Then review the activity log to confirm the slide cancel operation ID and its outcome so you have an audit trail. If the cancel failed, capture the error code and timestamps, then retry with an elevated role or escalate to subscription owner. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see permission denied, check for management group locks or inherited policies blocking your action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.